welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing really well and enjoying your very new year. So this will be my first video for this year and I'm gonna go very easy and light. So I'm gonna show you how to do two very easy sweater hairstyles kind of thing. So basically they are winter hairstyles perfect for your college or evening classes or something like that. So that's it, and I hope you're gonna enjoy them. Also guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do by clicking on the subscribe button because my family over here is really amazing. And please do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you stay updated every time I post a video. So let's dive into the video now. Well, my first hairstyle is going to be twist and turn headband hairstyle. And also guys, today both of my hairstyles have two basic steps, and that is twist and turn. Now for this hairstyle, I am going to take a section of my hair and then hold it for a second. Till then I'm going to pull back rest of my hair. Once that is done, I'm going to take back this section and divide it into two and start twisting and turning. Now you have to twist and turn your hair along the length of your hair, and once you're done, take it across your head and pin it behind your ear. Now you have to pin it in such a way that your pin doesn't come out, like it should not come out or it should not be visible. And also guys, please put 2 to 3 bobble pins so that the braid does not unravel. Now once you are done with that, you have to actually repeat the process for the other side as well. So this is how the braid looks, and this is really amazing and elegant. And also guys, today both of my hairstyles are very elegant and sleek. So I'm going to take this another section and I'm going to again twist and turn and take it across my head and pin it behind my ear. So this is the basic operation you have to do for this hairstyle, and it is really easy. Also it suits on any length of your hair, so even if you have shorter hair, this hairstyle would look amazing on you. And people with long hair are always having that extra advantage. Now once you are done with this, next you have to actually hide this bulging part. So you can see both sides of my hair looks bulged. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these frontal hair and then I'm going to pull them back and pin it right over there so that the braid or the hairstyle looks really elegant and sophisticated. Now this is how the complete look looks like. So this is really amazing and nice and soft. So I totally love this braid. Second hairstyle, I will first of all comb my hair so that they are detangled, and once that is done, I am going to severe side part my hair, and this is going to be on extreme right. Also guys, parting totally depends on you, so whichever way you like. Now next I am going to take a section of my hair and divide it into two different sections, and every time I take my front section, I'm going to add some hair into it and then twist it over. So it is really simple. Every time you come to your front section, you have to add some hair into it and then you have to twist it over. Now I am going to braid my hair across my hairline and not along my hair length, so that it does not look drooped down or anything like that. So I'm just trying to do it across my hairline so that it comes off really well. Now once you are done with twisting and turning, you have to take this braid and pin it right over there, and this is the major part of this braid and the rest is really easy. Also guys, once you are done braiding your hair, you have to actually pull out some hair so that your braid looks really full and voluminous. So that is the basic step of doing any braid, that you have to pull it so that it looks bigger and fuller. Now I'm just going to pin it, and after that I'm going to bring all my hair together, and if anything seems untidy and it seems like my hair are coming out, I'm just going to adjust them, and then I'm going to take out few strands of hair from the front end so that my face does not look flat. And yeah, that's it, and you are almost done. So the next step is you have to braid your hair and you have to use a fancy hairband. So I'm just going to do that and put it right over there. So this is all together for my two hairstyles, and I hope you would have enjoyed watching them. If you really did, then do not forget to give my video a big thumbs up, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next one. Till then, stay blessed and stay happy.